Hi everyone and welcome to We Love Art. My name is Denise and today we're gonna recreate the Festive Extravaganza, originally created by me. For grey, all we need to do is take a little bit of white, tiny bit of black, and create a light grey color. Now we need to create a very nice straight line. And how to do this? You can either go for a small or a medium brush, but I prefer the big brush because the big brush has some beautiful qualities, and I'm going to show you what I mean with this. Take a big brush if you feel comfortable and hold it close to the bristles in the same way as if you would hold a pencil. Then rest the side of your hand on any space on the canvas which is dry. This will give you maximum support and avoid creating shaky lines. So with this position you're now going to create very nice and smooth lines. Make sure your brush is loaded with enough paint. And what we do now, softly we press the paint in, and as you can see, it will give me automatically a beautiful long line. Now, why I prefer to do this with a big brush is because you can create a very smooth long line for a long time. A small brush can only hold a little bit of paint, and therefore you kind of need to keep reloading your brush. With a big brush, it holds way more paint and therefore is easier to apply. It is time for the beautiful big Christmas tree. And for the Christmas tree we start off with a white base. And then after that you create some nice decoration in the tree. Of course the star, and then later we add some little black lines. The presents are created under the Christmas tree, and look what I just found! Our very own We Love Artbox. What a coincidence! I am gonna finish it off with a little black beret. If you want to do the same, follow me and your We Love Art experience is 100% complete.